Alright, folks, today we're going to build a computer. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Honestly, a computer is kind of like Lego, but with more electricity and less fun if you step on the parts. This here, my friends, is the motherboard. Think of it as the skeleton of the computer. All the parts connect to this thing, like the bones of a Terminator. The only difference? The computer isn't trying to destroy humanity, hopefully. In this is the CPU, also known as the processor. It's the brain of the computer. It thinks faster than most of us on a Monday morning, but don't worry, no coffee needed. Just pop it in, and boom, the PC is now a multitasking genius. Here we have the RAM. This is the computer's short-term memory. The more RAM, the more things it can remember at once before it says, "Whoa, too many tabs, I need a nap." This is the hard drive or SSD, aka the long-term storage. This is where all the photos, videos, and embarrassing Google searches go. If there's something that should never be forgotten, this is where it gets saved. Yes, even the collection of cat videos. And here we have the graphics card. This is the Picasso of the computer. Without it, everything looks pixelated like early Minecraft. If smooth 4K graphics are the goal, this little powerhouse is needed. Lastly, the power supply. This is like the computer's energy drink. Without it, nothing works. Electricity goes in, performance comes out. Just don't touch it directly, or a shock you won't forget is in store. Alright, now throw all this stuff into the case. This is like the computer's home, stylish, sturdy, and hopefully with enough space so nothing overheats. Because a sweaty computer is a slow computer. NBAM. That's how to build a computer. Easier than IKEA furniture and with fewer leftover screws. Any questions? No? Great. Now, off to the internet, go pretend to be productive.